Hi Sagittarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po 100% accurate para sa'yo. The energy is timeless, so pwedeng ito ay nangyari na, nangyayari ngayon at mangyayari pa lang. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Sagittarius. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you, mga gabay, mensahe, at mga blessings for Sagittarius. Sagittarius, please. Energies and messages for Sagittarius. Energies and messages for Sagittarius, please. Okay. Okay. Merong expansion, no? Or career advancement sa inyong trabaho or sa inyong ginagawa. Maybe sa inyong creative project or business venture for some of you. Okay? Growth and expansion. Yung iba sa inyo, merong bagong contract. Okay? Or may na close kayo na deal for some of you. You'll be receiving money. Merong success. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you need some time para makapagpahinga. Okay? Ipahinga ang isip at ang inyong katawan. Okay? For some of you, you are making a decision or you're thinking about money. You're thinking about success. You're thinking about growth and expansion. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are praying for this. You are waiting for a result. Okay? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you are sharing a happy home life. Okay? Maayos ang inyong sitwasyon. For some, merong may mga arguments and fighting in the situation. Merong disalignment or hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay? Yeah. Choose your battles wisely. Don't waste your time sa isang sitwasyon na hindi naman nakakatulong para sa inyo. Don't waste your energy. Okay? May mga power struggle or conflict for some of you. Yeah, for some, it's about a partner or a love relationship. Okay? Merong hindi pagkakaintindihan for some of you. Merong communication na kailangan i-express, okay, with your person. Merong uncertainty about the situation sa inyong relasyon. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are making a decision about this. Yung iba sa inyo, you are very intuitive, no? Malakas ang inyong intuition. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will have to make a decision about between two paths, no? Or two directions. Okay? Yeah. Release your fears. Okay? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, you want to be independent. Okay? Gusto mo ng solo flight. Okay? But when it comes to work, you are successful. Okay? Magaling ka sa inyong field or sa inyong ginagawa, most especially kung nasa creative field kayo. You're thinking about independence, okay? Okay. For some of you, you are single and you are financially independent and stable. Kung ano man ang meron kayo ngayon, it is because of your hard work, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you will be enjoying the fruits of your labor, okay? Or bakasyon. Kailangan nyo ng bakasyon. Yeah. Good news is on its way, Sagittarius. Yeah. Okay. Kailangan mo ng lakas, no? Yeah. And forgive, maging pasensya also sa inyong sitwasyon. Konting tiis at kung ano man yung inaantay ninyo or gustong mangyari, it will happen. For some of you, just be patient, okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are free of responsibility. You are letting go of the past for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Merong abundance and prosperity on your way. Okay? You have a guiding star, no? Yeah, okay. For some of you, you are full of hope that everything will be okay. Kailangan mo lang ng planning, be strategic, no? Most especially pagdating sa trabaho. Yeah, for some of you, you are disconnecting from people or from your friends. Okay, parang kailangan mo ng pahinga. Okay, for some of you. Or, meron kayong someone na iniiwasan. Something like that. Just take what resonates for you and leave the rest. Be cautious, no? In dealing with others. For some of you, merong deception at play, okay? Merong selfishness or selfish behavior, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, kung meron man kayo mga self-doubt about sa isang trabaho or sa inyong ginagawa, that will be resolved, no? Yeah, for some of you, you will be making a decision. May mga options din kayong naiisip for some of you. Okay. For some of you, there is a desire to travel or, yeah, okay, you will be chasing your dreams, no? Yung iba sa inyo, you will be receiving help when it comes to money, okay? From someone na merong kakayahan, okay? From someone, maybe this is a consultant, something like that. Okay, they will help you sa inyong travel or this is a business trip for some of you. Okay? May mga kailangan kayong tingnan, nagpaplano kayo. Okay? May mga complex na decision kayong gagawin. Okay? That is for some of you. Alright? Yeah, merong tulong na ibibigay sa inyo. Okay? Merong development, no, sa inyong ginagawa. For some of you, you will be visiting an institution or a big company or a big institution, okay? You will be expanding your circle of friends, okay? You will be expanding your network. Yeah. Or meron kayong bibisitahin for some of you. Okay? Someone na may mataas na katungkulan sa isang company. Okay? Okay, happiness. Kung ano man yung mga concern ninyo, Sagittarius, that will fade away. Okay? Yeah. A wish come true, no? Merong blessings na parating sa inyo, merong tulong. You will feel good about this. Okay? For some of you, may konting disappointment, alright? Yeah, keep your battles wisely. Merong arguments or fighting for some of you. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga tao sa paligid ninyo na parang hindi maganda yung intention or na kailangan mong tingnan or i-review kung ano yung mga motibo nila. Okay? That is for some of you. Yeah, the Hangman. May kailan kang mga sakripisyo na kailangan gawin in order for things to improve later on. Okay? Be patient for some of you. Yeah. Meron ding pag-iintay sa isang approval or sa isang resulta. Something like that. Okay? You will be very busy. Work-life balance is needed. Sagittarius. Yung iba sa inyo, you are dealing two situations or two people. Okay? You are making a decision. You will be making a decision. The Emperor. You are thinking about stability and growth in your situation. Kailangan ng planning, maayos na planning and then action at the same time. Okay? You are aiming for stability. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, merong panghihinayang or someone is missing you or will be missing you. Yes. Someone will be missing you. Or things are not working out the way you'd hope for some of you. Yeah. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, you will be visiting a family member. You are missing them. And the 9 of Wands, yeah. So, don't give up. Kung ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan or yung ginagawa ninyo ngayon, Sagittarius, don't give up, okay? Move forward. Keep on fighting, okay? And believe in yourself. Believe sa inyong kakayahan, okay? Okay, yung iba sa inyo, merong frustrations or disappointment. You have to let go of that. Kailangan mo mag-move forward. Tuloy lang, okay? Kailangan mong umusad. Do not dwell on sadness or do not dwell on painful experience or past hurts, okay? Right. Sagittarius, if you keep seeing the number 55, this is the message for you. Substantial change is in your future. Embrace the change and need to overcome your insecurities and let go of your fears. Okay, let go of your fears, no? Believe in yourself. Don't give up, okay? Merong pagbabago, no? Importante na change na mangyayari in your life. Okay? Sagittarius, please, Sagittarius. Money matters. Expense, save, cut costs, plan ahead, make an informed choice, invest your money wisely, okay? So, be smart, invest your money wisely, okay? Merong star power. Become an influencer of the company and earn fame, popularity. Step into the spotlight, okay? Be confident. Okay? Stepping into the spotlight. Okay? Meron kang star power quality, Sagittarius. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, magaling mag-communicate, no? Or mag-express ng isang idea, okay? Celebration. Kick off the party activities and have a great time. Plan for a joyful future. Okay, merong celebration in the future, Sagittarius. One more. Spirit message for Sagittarius, please. Spirit message for Sagittarius. Okay. Sometimes walking away is the only option, not because you want to make someone miss you, or realize they took you for granted, but because you finally respect yourself enough to know you deserve better. Okay? So sometimes walking away is the only options, no? Or is the only option, kumbaga. Okay? Parang ikaw na lang umiwas minsan sa isang gulo, okay? Or sa isang sitwasyon na sa tingin mo ay hindi makakabuti para sa inyo. This is about respect, no? Respecting yourself, okay? You deserve better, Sagittarius. Alright? So, these are the messages for you. Maraming salamat. See you on the next video. Bye!